Hi, I'm Gareth Lewis, Product Manager at Field Controls. From everybody at Field Controls, thank you for purchasing your Trio Plus unit. In this video, we'll be walking through the maintenance and replacing the filter and lamp steps. Every 3 months, the filter icon will light up, reminding you to open the front panel and clean the pre-filter screen. Every 6 months, the filter icon will light up, reminding you to replace all the filters. And then every year, the UVC light icon will light up, reminding you to replace the UVC lights. We highly encourage you to keep to this schedule to maintain the optimal performance of your Trio Plus unit, as well as delivering the cleanest air to your space. To begin, you need to unplug the unit from the wall and then remove the front panel from the unit. Do so by holding the sides and pulling it out towards you. Take the front panel, set it aside. This is your pre-filter screen. You can vacuum this every 3 months to remove any of the larger contaminants. This helps extend the life of your filters. If you're replacing the filters, remove the pre-filter screen by pushing down on the 2 tabs and pulling that towards you. You can remove your pre-filter, followed by your HEPA filter, followed by your carbon filter. If you're replacing the UVC lamps, you can also remove your Pro Cell catalyst to access the 2 lamps. To replace the lamps, rotate the lamps until you can see the pins and then pull out. Once you have your new lamp, align the pins with the slots, insert, and then rotate 90 degrees until they're secure. Once you've replaced both lamps, begin by inserting your Pro Cell catalyst with the bars inside and the tab facing out. The next layer is your carbon filter. Place the carbon filter in with the tab facing outwards. The next layer is your H13 HEPA filter, which you install with the tab facing outwards. Lastly, install your pre-filter into your pre-filter screen. Align the 3 tabs on the bottom with the unit, and then press the top inwards, the 2 tabs, and the sides securely. Take your front panel, align the 2 tabs on the bottom with the unit, press the top, and make sure it's securely fastened. Once you've installed the filters and lamps correctly, press the filter icon and the lamp icon for 5 seconds each to restart the counter. You can reset the light indicator by pressing and holding the UVC button for 5 seconds. Thank you again for purchasing your Field Controls product. If you have any other questions or troubleshooting issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team.